What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-112840-6. There was a problem connecting to the server, so it's simply a network error. And here I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the settings, and then here we go to the user and accounts, check the PSN account is logged in or not. And then login settings, you must check your PS5 logged in or not. And then here we go to the network. View PlayStation network services. You must check the services. Sometimes the server is down, so you're working on the updates and doing maintenance. So if not working, then you just wait and you'll fix this up automatically. If the all is working up and good running, then you have a local internet problem. So you must contact with the local internet provider or fix your own internet connection. Here's the settings, set up internet connection. Press the option button. Here's the frequency, set it, advanced settings, go to the DNS settings, manually DNS you can set it, and MTU settings, which one is working good in your country, just put it back. Wired LAN one, you just do a same settings on the wired LAN one, and I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN one, connecting from the router to PlayStation 5, and then set up a new connection. It will be fixed. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.